Hello friends. So I am Sai Krishna. So actually you know that this year GATE exam will be conducted by IIT Bombay, right? They have already provided the details about the examination dates, etc. And now today evening they have provided this brochure regarding the examination of GATE examination 2021. Okay. So in this brochure they provided all the details like from pre-examination details to post-examination details also. Okay, so in this they have given the examination dates and when to apply, how to apply, and when will you get the admit card. Okay, so everything is given in this file. Okay, I have provided the link to download this file in the description. Okay, please check it out once. And next, basically I am from civil engineering, so I want to explain the differences made in the syllabus, in particularly in civil engineering stream. Okay, so in the 70th page, they have given this syllabus of civil engineering. So yeah, you can see this. Here, this is the civil engineering of GATE 2021. This is the civil engineering syllabus for 2020. Okay. Here you can see actually this year GATE, they have changed every syllabus of every stream. Okay. So every stream, they have changed the syllabus and provided the new syllabus in this PDF. Okay. So I can highlight the changes made. Okay, so yeah, if you see here the linear algebra is same as the before and now. Okay, so there is no change in linear, but in calculus, see, in calculus here there is Maclaurin. See here, there is Maclaurin series, but in this there is no Maclaurin series. See, there is Taylor series, and then again evaluation of definite integrals, and also these Gauss and Green's theorem is also not there now. Okay, they have deleted, right? This Stokes theorem also. So these three theorems you need not to study for the GATE 2021. Okay, and next, here if you see the in the ordinary differential equations. Okay, there is Laplace transform and its applications in the 2020 paper, I mean syllabus. So in 2020 it is not given. In 2021 we don't have this Laplace transformations and their applications. Okay, and everything is same in rest of the mathematics syllabus. Okay, there are nothing changes, no big differences in this. Okay, and next you see the structural engineering. Okay, in engineering mechanics they have deleted so much of syllabus. The main one is this kinematics. Okay, so this kinematics and mass rigid point, center of mass they have given, but there is no this energy methods and principles of virtual work. Okay, so these are being removed, right? But at the same time they have increased this one, free vibrations of undamped SDOF system. Okay, so they have increased this and they added this in this new syllabus. Okay, also this impulse momentum equation is also not there, right? And next, in solid mechanics there is no change, and in structural analysis there is not a big difference. Here in this construction materials and management they have changed very much syllabus. So if you see the bricks and mortar and timber bitumen. Okay, so this is purely deleted, yeah, I mean removed, right? And also the rate analysis and standard specification is also not there. You see, in the construction management program, types of construction projects and project planning and network analysis, right? So construction projects and project planning and network analysis, the tendering process is directly removed in this year, and PERT and CTM, but this is there, cost estimation is there. Okay, so cost estimation is there. And next, concrete structures. In concrete structures also, actually they have clearly mentioned the design of beams, slabs and columns. That's it. There is no this one, analysis of beam sections, transfers and service loads. All this is not there. Okay, and next, but they have included this. If you see pre-stressed concrete beams, they have included, right? So in previously we don't have pre-stressed concrete beams. Yeah, this could be like a introduction part or something we have to see. Okay, and next, steel structures, there is no much difference. In geotechnical engineering also we have to go through all the syllabus which was previously given. In water resource engineering, actually, they have removed this hydraulic machinery part, right? That means this hydraulic, if you see, the pumps and turbines. Okay, so basics of hydraulic mission, specific speed, it was given in 2020 and 2019. So in the 2021, if you see, this is not there. Energy depth relations and specific energy critical flow, this basics and everything with respect to pumps and turbines, it was removed. It is removed now. Okay. Next, irrigation and hydrology, it was almost same. Okay. Next, in this irrigation, actually, they have removed these parts. Actually, it was given, see, only gravity dams and spillways are there. Okay, and lined and unlined canals. This headworks is removed. Next, the design of weirs is removed. Sorry, this one, types of water logging and drainage. Okay, so this part is removed actually. And next, canal regulatory works also removed. Outlets and escapes. So these highlighted parts are removed in irrigation subject. Okay, environmental engineering, there is no much difference, but only this thing is there. The total noise pollution is removed for GATE 2021, right? Only air pollution and municipal solid waste is there. Noise pollution is totally removed. Okay, and next, in transportation engineering, mainly the geometric design of railway track. Okay, so here the total geometric design we have to look out before, but now it is only limited to speed and cant, right? So this is only limited to speed and cant. That's it. Okay, and there is no much change in the elsewhere. And next, geomatics. Geomatics engineering, they have removed this GPS program, right? So they, if you see, only basics of remote sensing and GIS, that's it. But here there was GPS before, so GIS, only GIS is there, and this is removed. And also, if you see here, remote sensing, only basics is given now. Basics of remote sensing, that's it. All these platform and sensors, etc., interpolation. So no need to study all these topics. And friends, also actually they have changed so many topics names actually. So please don't be confused with that. The topic name is changed, but the concept and those problems, everything, etc., are same only. So please once go through the videos released which will be released by maybe ACE Academy or MEDICI also. So you will get a clear information, I think. Okay. So thank you, friends. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel and support this channel. I'm also uploading the videos of explaining all the subject, geotechnical engineering I have already uploaded. So I have explained them in Telugu. So all the concepts, I have explained them in Telugu, okay. So for BTech semester examinations and GATE ESE also, they will be very helpful. So please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.